Hello guys, so this is what your Acrylic 777 looks like. So many of us have been asking, what do Acrylic look like? So I decided to create this video so you can have a proper view of how Acrylic looks like. And for some of us that don't have an idea, we have different types of acrylic. We have acrylic that is used for emulsion paint production. We have acrylic that is used for satin paint production. We also have Vinamo, which we use to produce the screening paint, white paint, matte paint. So, but this is your Acrylic 777. We have different specialized of this acrylic. We have different companies that produce it. We have different names. Yes, we have different names of acrylic. You understand? So for some of us that want to advance in our paint production skills, or probably you want to learn how to produce quality paint, so you can take advantage of our training on mastering paint manufacturing master class. Yes, you can enroll for this training anywhere you are in the world. Just your data and, of course, your registration fee. I'm giving our subscriber a discount price. That is the number on the screen, like you can see. You just WhatsApp our consultant and they'll put you through for the registration of this training. This training is one of the best training that you can get on paint manufacturing. It's going to take you from zero to professional level and from scratch. And of course, you're going to learn how to produce over 50 types of quality paint. You understand? And we're going to guide you through. You have one-on-one consultants on how to start this your paint manufacturing business. Of course, you're going to learn selling strategy. Yes, everyone wants to learn how to sell their goods, products, and services. So we're going to teach you how to sell your paint. Yes, on how to get customers that are going to be buying from you daily. Yes, and this offer is one of the best. Like I said, you can't get this offer anywhere. It all comes with a lot of information, techniques of selling, and of course producing advanced paints. This paint you're going to learn are quality advanced paints. Yes, you're going to learn how to produce all this quality paints. You understand? So for my subscribers, you already have a discount price. So take advantage of this offer and register now. So until we see in our next tutorial video, keep creating and have a wonderful time. Bye for now.